Everyone, in today's video we will see Beats Studio 3 not charging, how to fix. 1. Reset Beats Studio 3 wireless. Turn off the Beats Studio 3 wireless. Hold down the power button and volume down button for around 10 seconds until LED indicator flashes. Release the buttons when the LED indicator flashes. The headphones are now reset and prepare for reconnection. 2. Try using another power source. Use another power source or outlet to charge the headphones and check if the issue is still present. Make sure the power source is working properly and providing enough power to charge the headphones. Fix 3. Try using another charging cable. Use another charging cable to charge the headphones as a damaged or bad charging cable can cause charging issues. Make sure the charging cable is not damaged or frayed and it is compatible with the Beats Studio 3 wireless. 4. Clean the charging port. Gently clean the charging port on the headphones with a microfiber cloth and a paper clip to remove any dirt, dust or moisture that can interfere with the charging process. Be careful not to damage the charging port or the headphones. 5. Check for physical damage. Check for any physical damage to the charging port, such as broken or dented ports. Repair and replace the damaged part if necessary. Contact Beats support. If the headphones still do not charge, consider reaching out to Beats support for further assistance. They can diagnose the issue and suggest the better course of action, which may include pairing or replacing the headphones. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, like it and share it with your friends. For more such helpful videos, subscribe to our channel.